In every situation, children should understand different behavior to know what they want and what to say when dealing with different personalities. They have to understand also their own behavior to mean what they are saying to others and not to hurt others and not to be hurt. Educating children to understand self-awareness early enough can prepare them to make critical decisions in the present, as well as to help them in the future workplace environment and in creating relationships. People are normally labeled by their age, height, weight, culture, nationality, race, gender, adoption, and many different conditions that make other people have difficulties in movement or in seeing or hearing. There are people who always want to bully someone when they are competing for rewards like better incomes, promotions. They want to be loved. They are jealous of other people who are new to them or who they can label. Or they want to fit into groups of friends and colleagues to achieve their goals. So they do this by hurting another person or trying to belittle someone for them to achieve their goals. Bullying someone can also be caused by people who are dealing with life transition. They change. We all go through a change. For example, our body grow older. We lose sometimes people who we truly love. We lose our houses. We sometimes go through physical or emotional abuse, and we were not expecting that to happen to us. We change cultures. We all go through it in one way or another, but it depends how we respond to our change, because we all do that differently. It is important for children to learn how to say yes or no to create a healthy relationship and have clear clarity to preserve their peace of mind. When children are growing older, they should be able to create relationship naturally. They should not try to force people or anyone to love them, marry them, befriend them, or to be helped by people who they are forcing to do that, because it's not going to be a genuine relationship. In fact, it is a freeing feeling to let people accept you the way you are without trying to fit into a group, because groups sometimes can be blind obedience. Please look it up. Blind obedience. Setting boundaries is not enough for some people. They just don't understand it. So, and they cannot understand boundaries because they are raised in different backgrounds that you are not from. And it's like they are not raised in backgrounds where people have boundaries or set boundaries. So anyone can cross that limit directly or indirectly. Therefore, it's good to make it clear, to have clear clarity with people you come in contact with, at work, at school, everywhere, in sport, everywhere. Therefore, it's necessary to listen to the gut feelings in order to consider others' feelings too, without the need to obey orders that do not serve our personal values. Both children and adults can learn to say yes or no at any stage of life to develop themselves. They can find their life balance, protect themselves from being used, avoid fighting, avoid stress and depression, and stop pleasing someone in the way that they are not willingly doing what they are doing. Children, as well as adults, should not feel a sense of disconnection, isolation, and loneliness, because there will be always somebody who is genuine to them and who share their struggle and who understand them. Bullies, in this presentation, a bully can also be a devil, can lead another person to depression, because when they demand people to do things that they are not aligned with their personal values, they can commit crimes and provoke someone negatively that can ruin another person's life. Children can live a healthier and happier life when they know what they want, and they can grow as independent thinkers who can make their own decisions and celebrate their love, self-love, and allow others to be part of that love. The divine love, Educating the youth to stop caring about what others think of them can make children survive better in any environment and represent themselves when needed in the good manner. The question is, if a child is bullied at school, should the parents be punished or the child to be punished, or both can be punished? How about at work? If somebody is bullied at work, who to punish, the organization or the bully? Because sometimes it's difficult to know who is the bully. Only the person who is being bullied can point out. But sometimes you are not allowed to say it, so you suffer inside for your lifetime. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe.